Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Now, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the menu, open the settings, and let's open the system, my bad, and go to the about. And let's say I want to take a screenshot of this page. To do it, simply press and hold the upper and the lower button together. After a second or two, you will get the message that the screenshot was saved to the Garmin/screenshots folder. And to access the screenshots, you will need to use the USB cable provided with your watch, plug your watch to the computer with the USB cable, open the watch on your computer, and on this watch you should open the Garmin folder, and in the Garmin folder there should be a folder called screenshot, and in that folder you will have your screenshots there, and you can access them like that. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.